Hello, hello again, everyone. We are back at it again live here at Atascosa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I'm Xander, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a virtual tour of the Phoenix. Now, the specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths, and 1178 square footage. We are going to be joined live here with Payal. Oh, there she is. Let me answer. Hey, Payal, how's it going?
Hey guys, how are you? How are you, Xander?
Doing good. Just another beautiful day here in Atascosa. Just glad I'm
Yep,
not outside in the heat anymore. So,
true. Good thing our homes are nice and cool, am I right?
oh yeah, for sure. All right, well, let's get started. You ready to show these people around?
Yes, let's walk around the Phoenix, not Arizona. The Phoenix, the home.
All
All right,
righty.
let's go, guys.
All righty, let me connect you to the audio like always so everyone can hear you clearer. All right, there we go.
Alrighty, thank you so much, Xander. So here we are again today in the Phoenix, and I'm super happy to be walking you through one of this. The layout of the Phoenix is one of my personal favorites. I love the open space here with the living room, with the kitchen area. Everything is just, it really is one big room, which I think is really unique about this house. I love how you can be on the sofa, you can be in the kitchen, and no matter what, you're never missing a beat on those family fun nights. And this kitchen right here is one of my favorites personally. I love the amount of storage space. Everywhere you look, there's a storage place for you. I love the countertop space. I love how it wraps around the entire kitchen. And I would love to be cooking in this kitchen with just how much space it really has to offer for everyone. And on top of that, the sink over here is also a dual sink, and we have the dishwasher right next to the sink, really making it easy. It's a perfect home for hosting. You don't have to worry about a single thing. Everything is right there. It's convenient for you. Never worry about the messes. As there's so much storage space, you'll never ever have to worry about that clutter when people are coming over. It's just perfect. And I love the black appliances here. And now we are walking over to our first bedroom of 3, and this is the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom attached to it. Now, I love the 2 windows in this Phoenix bedroom. I love how they offer you that option to put the bed right up next against them. It really helps you get that restful sleep at night because the windows will not be in your face. So it's perfect. And you still get that touch of natural light, which is beautiful. And over here, you have this humongous closet and that rack that goes all around the closet too. Perfect for shoes, perfect for storage. And attached to the primary bedroom is the primary bathroom. And I like how the Phoenix offers that option of that glass door on the shower, really never having to worry about having water anywhere. It just keeps the shower its own little area. And you'll notice even after this that the bathroom, the toilet has its own area. Everything is a little bit more sectioned off in this bathroom. But right now, we're looking at the sink and the countertop space, and I love how you have countertop space on both sides of the sink, not just on one. And again, lots and lots of storage underneath the sink area in that whole countertop space. So this is the primary bedroom and bathroom again. Now for anyone tuning in, this is the Phoenix with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1178 square feet. And this is one of our single wides that we offer with Vogue walls. So going down this little hallway on the left here, we have the second bedroom with the attached closet, and all of the bedrooms here will also have that attached closet as well. And one thing about the Phoenix is as you walk around it, you'll notice the spacious rooms. And I honestly feel like these rooms are huge. They offer so much space, which allows you so many options to be able to decorate the home exactly how you would want. And between these last 2 bedrooms, we also have the last bathroom. So that would be 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms again. And you'll notice that the sink has another space for storage down here, which I personally think makes it so nice. You don't have to worry about that clutter once again. And then, of course, that light wood is also still carrying out through the home in all the bathrooms and in that kitchen area. And then here we have the third bedroom. And as Xander walks around this bedroom and shows us, you'll notice that this room is actually very big. You have so much space in here, perfect for a bedroom. But even if you don't want a third bedroom, you can still have a huge office, a huge art room, whatever fits you and your family best. And again, we have that last attached closet. So all the bedrooms, again, in the Phoenix has an attached closet to it. These rooms are huge. Even as you go corner to corner, you'll really, really notice that big amount of storage. And I love how everything kind of has its own hallway and its own space. It really sections off that open layout compared to the living room. So yes, this was the Phoenix. Thank you again so much for watching.
Thank you for all your help again, like always, Payal.
Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm so happy that we get to walk you around the Phoenix and many of our homes as we will continue to be doing these lives. So please join us in the next home.
Alrighty, we'll see you later, Payal.
Bye, Xander.
Bye. Alrighty, guys. Again, this is the Phoenix. Really happy you guys could join me for this one. I really enjoyed the spacing a lot here. Very different layout from other previous homes we've walked through. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, like always, if you have any questions or want to seek more information out on the Phoenix here, you could search it through findmymobilehome.com, or you could give us a call at 210-510-0500. Again, like always, I'm Xander, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next virtual live. Peace.